When I applied at Interface, there was actually no open design position, but I knew that it was going to be a company I really wanted to work with. My name is Jarno van Deuveren. I head up the artwork design team in the Netherlands and India. I started working with Interface since 2014, and I'm based in Scherpenzeel at the headquarters in EMEA. We get involved in all parts of the design process. In the beginning, we can help the customer with making 3D visuals. This can be either a customer photo or one of our standard room sets. And it can really help the customer with visualizing different product combinations. Later in the design process, we can make floor plans in which we can show our different product combinations related to their specific space planning. We can detail that further out. So we have a design plan that can be shared with the flooring contractor, who will then use that to do the actual installation. My biggest achievement has been the development of the artwork design team. When I started working for Interface, the artwork offer was non-existent. The way we worked with creating floor plans was very time-consuming, but on the other side, our portfolio was getting more and more complex. With launches like Urban Retreat, Human Nature, and Human Connections, we really changed the way we work with flooring. We went from a broadloom type effect to a transitional product. And not just a transitional product from one color to another. We started introducing skinny planks, but later on also a transition between up to 5 products. The complexity added more requests for the artwork design offer, because that's at the core of our team. What I enjoy doing most is working together with my team, because they are multicultural, multidisciplinary. So one day I can be working with someone from Spain and the other day with someone from the United States. On a day-to-day basis, I really work on a global scale, and working with multiple people from different cultural backgrounds is what really inspires me.